Number 82.
82 on a Husky TC50.
Yeah. On a Husky TC50. Came out to Jace's favorite track today. He's gonna warm up on a kiddie track first, and then we're gonna hit the big boy track.
I like the big boy track every time.
Yeah, yeah. Is there anything you want to say?
Yippee, shorty.
Well, tell him. Tell him what you're gonna do. Tell him how you're gonna ride today.
I will ride safely.
He said he's gonna ride safely, so that's always a good thing, guys. He's feeling a little bit under the weather today. He's got a little cough, so we'll see how he does.
So my son is back. I just my binder.
All right.
We just came here.
Yeah. Tell him we just got here. We just unloaded the bikes, and now
And now we're going and dressing up.
we're gearing up. Say please like, comment, and subscribe.
Please like to comment, subscribe.
Yeah, you're right. So guys, notice how on this turn right here, notice how he went fast and then pressed his front brake. And it's just things like that that he's catching on real quick, guys. So remember, he's only 4 years old on a 50 senior. Here he comes again. It looks like he's getting comfortable, guys. Get him! Good form, guys, good form. Oh! Hey guys, we taking a little lunch break. We at Hammond, called the Pit MX. We got Jace here with us, being silly. Peyton, Jace's friend. He's out here to race tonight. What class you racing, Peyton?
85 open.
85 open. And what kind of bike you ride?
KTM 85.
What year?
2019.
2019. How you like it?
It's pretty good.
Yeah. He's coming off of a YZ 85. 2021?
Yep, 2021.
Okay. And for the viewers, how do you compare those two bikes?
I just have to say the KTM's a little bit faster, and the Yamaha, I don't lug it. I mean, the Yamaha I can lug, but the KTM, I don't lug it as much.
Right,
and
right.
It's a little bit more power.
Okay, okay. Yeah, your dad was telling me that you definitely ride a little bit better on the KTM.
Yeah.
And I've been seeing a lot of improvements.
Yeah, I think so.
So, and Jace over here, he's, you got anything to say to YouTube today, Jace?
Yuppie shorty.
All right, that's what he says.
Let's see.
I
Got a couple people here for the race tonight.
We're going wide.
Track's getting a little dusty.
And the big boy's Jackie.
We're just hanging out and having fun, guys.
Yep.
I jumped to finish. I jumped.
Oh yeah, Jace, tell YouTube how you jumped.
I jumped to turn like this.
Yeah?
And I feel like the Husky got more power than the Yamaha.
Yeah?
The end.
All right.
That's how. I said the end.
Thanks all of you for watching, guys. And as always, comment, like, and subscribe. Yep.
Subscribe.
To see more of Jace Guerra, number 82.
Subscribe me, shorty.
I'm gonna go ride with Peyton, Cameron.
Battery's low, yeah, it's recording.
It is?
Yeah,
All right,
battery's low.
thanks.